Alrighty. All right, now we're gonna take a backseat view of Goliath, because while there's a lot of airtime in the front, there's also a buttload of airtime in the back. And we like that, in the back. Take that however you want.
A buttload in the back.
All right, look at these pretty faces we have riding with us.
Woo-hoo! Yeah. And Albert and Russ.
I was talking mostly about you, Russ.
Oh, okay.
You were the prettiest of all faces.
I thought that was Cody.
I am lying. I am totally lying. Oh my God, here we go! Oh! Oh my God! Woo! Oh, we love backseat airtime! Helixy bit again! Helixy bit! Helixy bit! Woo! Hooray! Through the tree, around the corner, to Airtime Hills we come. Airtime Hills! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh! And one more! Whee! Oh, you gotta love it.
One more.
Woo! Oh, that is Goliath here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Oh, you can see the other train going up the lift. How was that, guys?
Yay!